What's good, ladies and gentlemen? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to copy and paste in the piano roll in FL Studio. All right, so first, let's go to the piano roll. Hit this icon here. I'm just going to lay in some notes here. All right, so say this is what we have so far. Simple enough. And what you can do is there's several different ways you can copy it. So what I would do if I'm just trying to directly copy it is I would highlight the notes holding down Ctrl. You can also click this icon here to select it and then hit Ctrl B. B as in Bonanza or Bangladesh or Bar Mitzvah or all right. That's one way to do it. So you could also use the typical command Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, right? Now it might not always go right to the next block like that. Another useful hotkey is hitting Ctrl D to deselect. So say I want to copy this one now, okay? Again, I would say a good way to master FL is to start using hotkeys. So I'm holding down Control, I'm left clicking, select, right, and then just Control B. Let's go back. Let's go back. Remember, you can also Control D to deselect. Let's highlight this again. Control C, Control V. Now sometimes if you Control C, it might land somewhere you don't want to, like that. In which case you have to drag it over. Another way to copy notes is to just click on the note, but this only works if you click on a specific note. So if you say left click on this note, you can place the same note wherever you want to place it. It'll be the same length. It won't be the exact same note unless you place it in the exact same location. So that's how copying notes work in the piano roll. It's very similar to how it works in the playlist as well. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you guys for watching. And before we go, make sure you guys check out the Music Producer Starter Kit. Link in the description. Be sure to check out the links in the description. If you're new, I put this resource together about equipment and tutorials and got some books. So just kind of get you on your way. I've been making beats for doing music production for 10 years. Music even longer, so I kind of made this just to simplify the starter process, as I know that can be sometimes kind of confusing, and to kind of catch you up to speed a little bit faster than what I had to go through. So again, guys, thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and deuces.